Hello guys, so I have a Windows laptop here which is not turning on, and the model number is, I don't know, I can't even read. This is HP. Let's see anything it says. It's quite a big laptop. i7 V Pro 7 Gen ZBook. And the problem is it's not turning on. Plug in the charger, and if we try to turn it on, so but we have got light here, as I think you can see. Can you see? Yeah, that light there. So what could be wrong? Let's check. That big coil there, nothing, 0 volt. So what we have here is the MOSFET should be underneath there, but we have got two MOSFET here, 0. Anyway, so we have got 22 volt here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, and I think that is the current sensor. 0 on current sensor. Okay, so let me check if this MOSFET is dead. No, it's not. And this one, yeah, this second MOSFET is faulty. That's why we are not getting any power through from the first MOSFET. See? Yeah. Okay, let's look under the microscope. Okay, now we have got one MOSFET is okay. It was here. See? Can you hear the beep? Yeah, that's why 21 volt are not passing through this and then going to the current sensor. So this we have to replace most probably. See here. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Now, just out of curiosity, I'm just checking. Remember, before the 20 volt, just trying to make sense. There was 20 volt here, right? Still 20 volt. Ah, come on, why you can't see? Yeah. Okay. And it was not passing through here. See, it's passing through, and now There was no 20 volt here. See, it's 20 volt here because this MOSFET was faulty. So hopefully it should work if there is no other fault once we replace this MOSFET. So this is our faulty MOSFET and this is our new MOSFET. Which way would it go? This way? Okay, here you go. Okay. Okay, did I press the power button? Yeah, press the power button. So we don't want to do any tests, so we'll go exit. This is a nice laptop actually, very sturdy, made to last. See, it's also touch screen. Okay, that's all done. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.